On top of the morning, guys, this is Yard as is Jamaica Yard Life, more active and you know the routine already. Well, it's that time, guys. I'm here looking after breakfast. Yeah, man. We have to get out there and do the right thing. Yeah, man. Work hard. As I'd say, duty call. But before I go, guys, you know this up, go. We come my yard for this normal out here. Fair few and chit chat with you all. Yeah, man. I do appreciate the support. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man. It really, really does help. But anyway, I hope I'm active, guys. And usually it's just ramen noodle. Yeah, man. Some of the attic and turn fashion, guys. It's a blessed morning, man. I want to say happy Wednesday. Yeah, man. Don't lose track of the days, man. Yeah, man. Anyway, a few words to pass on to you all, and you know it's something as the life progress, I'm gonna do just that. To my brother out there, yeah, man. It's not my blood brother, guys, but I have a good friend of mine. Yeah, man. He's experiencing kidney failure, most naturally. He's pulling through at the moment, yeah, man. Cause you know it's something go. God is good all the time, yeah, man. So a special prayer to bro. Keep getting up, getting about, getting out there, and keep doing the right thing, bro. Yeah, man. And trust the process. So, guys, my bro need a kidney. Hopefully, fingers crossed, he's gonna, you know, need one to say 40. But the work is in process. And while man a plant, God a wipe. Yeah, man. So, you know, it's something go. Big bro go back on his feet within a couple of days. Yeah, man. Hopefully, the doctors will pull through. So yeah, extra prayer for big bro. Yeah, man, a bit lost for words, you know, guys, because you know the energy comes out. Sometimes, even though we get up and smiling, we face some really harsh times. But that don't mean we're gonna lose focus. Yeah, man. So I've been up and active, and I've just been praying for my bro. Yeah, man. Nothing beats a word of prayer. And I appreciate mommy praying as well, and you know it's something about other family members. I love and love alone, man. Yeah, man. So big brother, alright, you know. Yesterday, guys, when I went and picked up my bro from the doctor's office, he was very weak. But I tell you guys, by driving and talking, would I call it reasoning? It's like all the pain and all the tiredness, being tired, it just go away. Tell you, man, it's a blessing, nothing like, you know, a little love, man. Love and love alone, guys. So for those who don't know, that's how I do it. And normally, you know, break the egg in my ramen noodle and all that few other stuff. But this morning I'm on a fast pace. Well, not necessarily fast pace, but I'm on the go. So it's just the eggs and the ramen. Yeah. So despite I putting things together in my head, guys, and for one I'm put it across to you all, I'm a bit out of it at the moment. Then I know 2 days alike, and sometimes you're just not feeling the energy. Yeah, man. So it's natural. You're human. Well, I'm human. Because today I'm not feeling into it, guys. And I'm going to be honest. The main factor is my bro is sick. Yeah, man. We have no control over stuff like that. And things that you don't have control over, you can't really, well, I would say, don't really worry about it. Just leave it to the most time. But the flesh have its way of, you know, feeling down and out, knowingly that a loved one, a brother, a family, or a friend is not doing 100%. I myself just can't help it, guys. Yeah, man. I'm a very emotional person. Yeah, man. For those who don't know, and always see me smiling and acting as if all is well, or playing around, or moving like, or just be myself. Yeah, man. Sometimes it's it's a flesh, guys. It takes its course. We human. So I'm a bit emotional when it comes to my bro. Yeah, man. And any family member, whether it be from the animal to you know the eldest person within or around the family. I'm very, 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 very emotional when it comes to love and love alone. Trust me, guys. Yeah, man. But enough for me and that. I'm get back to the ramming. As I said, I have a few things to share, guys, and I had it all planned, but right now I'm freelancing. I'm a bit lost for words at the moment, knowing that so much is on the brain. But I say all of that to let y'all know that I know that it's a bit rough on some of y'all out here, and I know that it's not so easy. Some of us can find it some yearly scraping. Well, I have this much to say, guys. For the ones that are feeling down, you got this. You're strong enough. Trust me. It might seem far-fetched and you say, hey, yard life, you good enough, I true, you have ramins can look both, you alright, not in my house. Well, to be honest, I can strongly remember days when I had nothing. Nothing at all. Not even the ramens, not even the water. Yeah, man. Might sound hard, but nothing. But just God. Yeah, man. I could have lost my way. Yeah, man. Hunger could have pushed me to one different point. Hard life could have pushed me to one different point. Over the years, I've watched generations upon generation come and go. Yeah, man. And y'all will be saying that, yeah, life is still young, man. 30 something is not much. So you don't experience no life yet. I am living in on an island that teaches you a lot about life and so much more. You have no idea, guys. But anyway, as I said from before, keep getting up, keep getting about, keep getting out there, and keep doing the right things. We all face tough times. Yeah, man. So it's good when you can find a brother or a sister, not the ones that will run with your information. Find someone trustworthy, and I would even say trustworthy. Find someone with a pure heart. Sit and reason with them. Some of us out here are very, very, very good listeners. Trust me. When I say very good listeners, like willing to just hear you out. Yeah, man. And pass on positive message in terms of to help you to, get out of your situation. Yeah, man. My light can shed a little light on your light and make your light or our light brighter. Better tomorrow, I say, no, guys. But anyway, as I said, this one is not, the usual. I'm just freestyling. Yeah, man. I did plan, guys, but somehow, with the thought of my bro being down and out, I just can't seem to sum it up the way I want. Yeah, man. Most of it, I said distraction is a hell of a thing, but for me, that's exactly what it is, guys. And I wouldn't say it's more distraction like emotions, guys. Yeah, man. Once you love a family member, friend, a partner, ever so often, emotions will get the same. And now, I'm feeling it from my bro, guys. I can't hold this one. But this is a work for the most high, so the minimum I can do right now is just ask him to watch over my brother. Strengthen him, help him to get back on his feet. On his feet. Yeah, man. But anyway, I'm gonna be here for a few more seconds, guys, until I'm gonna run off. Yeah, man. As I said from before, I have work. Yeah, man. So much to do, such little time. But we have to do what we have to do. Yeah, man. And a lot of love to share. So, if something come down with there, yeah, they track up. Love and love and love. It is such fun to see, such fun to see. See and lose. Jesus is doing the man. Doing the man all the time. Thanks for passing through, guys. Appreciate the support. Yeah, man. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It really does help. I don't know if it's just me alone, guys. But I've been thinking, and I realized that when it comes down to the camera, guys, it's not everyone approve of it. Yeah, man. Some folks are not so fond of the camera. Reason being, to my knowledge, I've get the understanding that it's not everyone can be true to themselves. Yeah, man. It's not everyone can be truthful to what's life. Yeah, man. Being yourself, meaning I've realized a lot over the years that most folks are living in a illusion. Yeah, man. They're living in a whole different world. This is my take, guys. This is not fabricated. This is not planned. I'm just saying this based off of observation. Yeah, man. I am a Jamaican. I am a firm example of one of them youths that did not choose the other side. I did not pick up a gun. I have never tried anything to bring down my country in any way. I love my country despite of the rough edges. Yeah, man. It's just the people. And, people, you have good, bad, indifference wherever you go. I believe that my country is one of the best at the moment. Yeah, man. So who want to bash me on this one? Ha, tools to you. Yeah, man. My country, Jamaica, land we love, is one of the best islands. And I believe that. Yeah, man. And as I was saying, you have a few persons, well, not a few, you have quite a lot of people that cannot, or they hide their true face. They don't like to, or they don't like people to know what they are about. I don't mind sharing my fraction of my, lifestyle and so on and so forth, just to show you all what life is like for me on the island. I'm not wealthy, guys. I have enough to get by. Yeah, man. And by God's grace, I do appreciate that. With my little that I have to get by with, ever so often, I'll share with my brothers and sisters. Not just blood brothers, not just blood sisters. Brothers and sisters from another mother. Yeah, man. Say all of that to say this. Whatever you see me do, wherever you see me, I am living in my truth. As I said, I'm not wealthy, I'm not poor. I am God blessed. Yeah, man. But I'm coming from a place where I had nothing, little to nothing. I know what it is like to have nothing. So I appreciate having nothing. So when I do get something, I know to appreciate it more. Yeah, man. I am a very loving soul. And I take the time out to let you all know that I invite you all along to come along and share some of the positive energy. Nothing more, nothing less. Yeah, man. But say all of that to say this. I never, I never, ever envy my mind or try to bring down my brothers, my sisters, no matter whomever you be. I said from before, and I'm going to say it once more. I try my best to live in my truth. Yeah, man. And whether you are a loved one, friend, or family, whether you're in front of me or behind me, I will always speak highly of you, no matter what. Whenever I love you unconditionally. Whether you're a friend, family member, stranger, no matter who you are, my love is real. I don't know what you think, but I'm about godly things. And I just want you to know, stay strong. You are amazing. Yeah, man. No time for giving up. But anyway, we here, guys. Peace and love, family. Peace and love. I appreciate you all. Yeah, man. And there's so much I could say. Well, stand here and preach this morning. But I have work. Yeah, man. So as time progress, I'm gonna get down to earth and just chit chat with you all, so you all can understand me a bit more. Reason why I'm doing most of this, guys, it's natural over my lifetime growing up. It's natural for folks to just misunderstand me. Yeah, man. Even when I'm doing right by them, so much right that's right is asking me, what's the matter? But anyway, this is not about camera or YouTube or, you know, trying to paint an image. This is who I am naturally. And when you come my yard, you will see. Anyway, for now, keep getting up, getting about, getting out there, and keep doing the right thing. This is the yard as is, man. No preservative, no additive, all natural. And we're proud of where we are come from.